Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to send a message on TikTok in just a few simple steps. First, open the TikTok app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner and go to Settings and Privacy. Under the Account section, tap on Privacy. Now, scroll down to the Interactions section and tap Direct Messages. At the top, choose who can send you messages. Options include everyone, friends, or no one. Once your settings are how you want them, go back to the main screen. To check your inbox, tap Inbox at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see any new messages or requests. To send a message, go to Home, or use Search to find the person's profile. On their profile, look for the Message button and tap it. Now, type your message and hit Send. If the person doesn't accept messages, your message may be sent as a request, or you might not be able to message them at all. And that's it. You've now learned how to message someone on TikTok. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.